Okay, children, now we will be doing exercise 4F. In exercise 4F, I have done question number 1. Okay, that is 5 by 12th of 1 hour. You have to find 5 by 12 of 1 hour. Of means what? Into. Okay, so 5 by 12 of 1 hour. So first what you will do, this 1 hour you change it into minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. That you write it in the bracket, because you have, when you have converted hour into minutes, you have to show it that you have converted this into minutes. Why I have converted hour into minutes? Because I saw here in the denominator 12 is there. So if I convert this hour into minutes, then I can cancel this 60 minutes with 12. Okay, so this 1 hour first I converted into minutes. Okay, then in that you have to show it in the bracket. Then 5 by 12 into 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, into half means what? Into 60 minutes. Then 12 and 60, 12 5s are 60. You will cancel the numerator denominator. Okay, so now what is left in the numerator? 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25 minutes. What is this? 25 minutes. Like this. Suppose if there is no unit, okay, 5 by 12 of 60. 5 by 12 of 60 is written. Okay, no unit is written. Then the answer will also come without unit. But when there is a unit, then the answer will also come with the unit. Okay, that you have to understand. Okay, now question number, in the question exercise 4F, in the simplify. Okay, in the simplify, I have done question number 3. Okay, that is question, what is the question number 3? 1 and 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 and 5 by 8 plus 1 and 1 by 9. This is the question. Okay, now how I have done this here? First you have to bring this in, this given in the mixed fraction. First mixed fraction, change it in improper fraction. How will you change in improper fraction? Cross multiply, then add. Cross multiply, then add. 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 7 of. Then this mixed fraction, change it in improper fraction, as you know, plus this mixed fraction, change it in improper fraction. Okay, then next what you will do now? Next, okay, BODMAS method. Now in the simplification, when the plus, minus, into, division all given together, okay, in the this simplification, if plus, minus, into, division, of, if all given together, then what you have to do? You have to apply BODMAS method. Okay, B, what is this? B for B? B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So first one by one you have to go on solving. First you will solve the bracket one, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Like that you have to solve it in this manner. Okay, now when the division, multiplication, off, plus, minus all given together, you have to apply this BODMAS method. Okay, now you have brought everything in the mixed this is improper fraction. Okay, now in the, after bringing it in the improper fraction, now you have to apply the BODMAS method. Now B stands for bracket. Are you seeing any bracket here? Are you seeing any bracket here? No, you are not seeing any bracket here. Okay, then next what is the next here? Next is O. O stands for what? O stands for off. Now are you seeing any off here? Yes, here I am seeing off. Okay, so first I will solve this off first. I will solve this off first. Okay, now off means what? Into. Off means what? Into. In into you will cancel the denominator. See if there is any numerator and denominator getting cancelled. Yes, 21 and 7 will get cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Now any other numerator getting cancelled with any other denominator? No. Okay, then as it is, again you write. Okay, 4 by 3, again division. What is the answer of this? Of 3 into 3 is 9. Here you have cancelled 7, you got 1 here. 1 into 8 is 8. Okay. Then plus 10 by 9. After the of, which one you have to do division? After the of, which one you have to do division? So in the next you are doing division. Next division, 4 by 3 divided by 9 by 8 plus 10 by 9. So this division now you have to do. So 4 by 3 division will change into multiplication. When you are changing this division into multiplication, then this will also become reciprocal. 9 by 8 will become 8 by 9. Reciprocal means ulta. Plus 10 by 9. Okay. Then after this, then after the division, which one is there? Multiplication. Now first solve multiplication. The multiplication, any numerator getting cancelled with any denominator? No. Okay, then straight away multiply the numerators, straight away multiply the denominators. So when you multiply the numerator, you are getting 32 by 27 plus 10 by 9. Now, next what you will do, you will take the LCM. What is the LCM? 9 and 27. You know 27 comes in 9 table. Okay, so 27 you will take it as the LCM. Okay, now 27 divided by 27 is 1. 1 into 32 is 32. Denominator you will divide. Whatever the answer you get, you multiply with the numerator. 27 divided by 9 is how much? Denominator you are dividing. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 into 10 is 30. Okay, now 32 plus 30. Now add this, 62 by 27. Now 62 by 27, now you have to write it in the mixed fraction. Okay, because you can divide 62 by 27. You can divide 62 by 27. So how will you divide 62 divided by 27? See, it will 27 2s are 54. 27 3s are, it will become 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7. It will be coming more than 62. So it will go by 2 10. Okay, 27 2s are 54. What is the remainder? You are getting 8. Okay, now how will you write it in the mixed fraction? First, what is the quotient? Here got 2. So the quotient is the whole number. First you will write the quotient, then remainder by divisor. That will be the answer. Okay, now we are doing question number 5. In the question number 5, see the question. Okay, now this mixed fraction we will change it in the improper fraction. First change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. After changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then you will apply the BODMAS method. B for bracket. Any bracket is here? No. No bracket is here. Okay. Then next bracket, what is the next after the BODMAS? That is BODMAS. After the B, what is there? O. O stands for off. Any off is there in the question? Yes, there is one off here. Okay. So this left to right. Okay. So this off you have to now solve this. Okay. Off means what? Into. 3 by 11 into 11 by 4. Okay. In the into, what you will do? Numerator, denominator will cancel. Okay. 11 get cancelled. What is remain? 3 by 4. That you will be writing in the next step. 11 by 3 minus 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4, divided by, then rest of the thing copy down. Okay. After O, which one is there now? D. D stands for division. Okay. Now, which is now here division. Where is the division? Now this you have to solve this. Okay. So 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4, this division you will change into multiplication. When you change this division into multiplication, this you will invert. 5 by 4 will become 4 by 5 into 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now all these 3 are in multiplication only. No. So before solving this division, and there is one multiplication also. So all these you will do together. Okay. 4 you will get cancelled. 5 you will get cancelled. 3 will get cancelled. Okay, whatever the answer you get, you will write it in the next step. 11 by 3 minus 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 here, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now plus and minus are there. Wherever the plus and minus are there in the fraction, then you will take the LCM. How will you add the fraction? You will take the LCM. 3 and 3, you know the LCM is 3. Okay. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 11 is 11. Okay. Whenever the denominator is 1, straight away with the LCM you will multiply the numerator. Okay, how? Because that is 3 divided by, that is divided by 1 is 3 only. 3 divided by 1, that is 3 divided by 1. What answer you get? 3 only. That 3, if you multiply with this, what answer you get? 3. Okay, now 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Now add this all. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 by 3. 9 by 3, if you cancel it, you get the answer 3. Okay, hope you understand this. Okay, now I have done question number 8. So from the simplification, I have done this question. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 plus 1 and 1, 2 by 3. This question I have taken on. This question I am solving. Okay. Before 8, this question you can do on your own. 1 plus 4 by 7 minus, like see, like you have to apply the BODMAS method. First you will solve. There is no bracket here. Okay, there is no bracket, means you not have to solve bracket 1, and there is next after the bracket, what is there? Off. So then off you will solve. Then the next step you will write the answer. After writing the answer, then there is no division here, there is no multiplication. All are plus and minus. When all are plus and minus, you have to take the LCM and add it. So this can be done easily. Okay, so now I am going for question number 8. Now the question number 8, how to do this? Just see here. Okay, is there any mixed fraction? If there is any mixed fraction, bring it in the improper fraction. Okay, after this, now see, in the BODMAS method, first B for bracket. Bracket is there in this question? Yes. Okay, first you have to solve this bracket. Okay, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. So this bracket you have to solve. First this step you have brought this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now next step you are solving this bracket. So 3 and 9, what is the LCM here? 9. Okay, now you know how to do this. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. What answer you get? 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Then 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 4. This dividing, then multiplying with the numerator. Okay, 4. Then the rest of the things, as it you take rest of the things, just copy down. Okay, till you get the answer of the bracket. Now get the answer of the bracket. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 9. Once you get the answer of the bracket gets removed. Okay, so 10 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 5, everything take down. After the bracket, what is the next you have to do in the BODMAS method? Off. Now in the off, this here the off is there. Off means into. Now any numerator getting cancelled, the denominator you see, yes, this and this getting cancelled, this and this getting cancelled. Okay, so when you get this, after this, write the answer in the next step. 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, then divided by rest of the things, copy down. Okay, then after solving the off, BO, then BOD, D is for division. Then next you have to solve this division. Okay, now 2 by 3, division will change into multiplication. When you change division into multiplication, this 5 by 3 you have to invert it as 3 by 5, then into 5 by 4 minus. Then all these 3 are in multiplication, so you can cancel any numerator with any denominator. Okay, so okay, this 2 and 4 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 5 will get cancelled. 3 3 will get cancelled. Okay, write this answer in the next step. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, you have written the answer of this, minus 1 by 3. Okay, now this minus you have to solve this. Now whenever now that you have to take the LCM. 2 and 3 we call it as co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of the co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means when any two or more numbers which do not come together in any table. 2 and 3, does it come together in any table? 2 and 3 एक साथ किसी टेबल में आता है? No. When it doesn't come together in any table, 2 and 3 एक साथ किसी टेबल में आता है, तुम लोग देखे हैं? नहीं. So when it doesn't come together in any table, then we call that numbers as co-prime numbers. So the LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Okay, product में 2 this दोनों को multiply करना, that is their product will be the LCM. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, now 6 is the LCM. Now divide this LCM by this. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6. So this will be the answer, right? Okay, now we will be solving question number, after this 8, question number 9. Question number 9, what will you do here? Plus, see, first you will solve the bracket one. In the bracket one, what first bring it this in the improper fraction. After bringing it in the improper fraction, in the bracket all the plus is there, that means you have to take the LCM and you know how to do the addition in this. After getting the answer with this multiply, so this you can do on your own. So now I'm doing question number 10. See the question, 1 by 3, then in the bracket the fractions are given, then divided by 2 by 9, then in the bracket fractions are given. Okay, so I have done this. This is question number 10. Okay, so now how to do this? First bring the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, first bring the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After this 1 by 3. Okay, after bringing it in the improper, first you have to solve the bracket one. Board must first solving the bracket. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers because they do not come together in any table. So that is why they are called as co-prime numbers. So LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. So multiply these 2 and 3. What answer you get? 6. 6 is the LCM. Okay. Now with this 6, divide this denominator. 6 divided by 2. What answer you get? 6 divided by 2? 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 6 divided by 3, what answer you get? 2. 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, plus now 2 by 9. Here also same type we will do it. Take the LCM of 8 and 12. You know how to take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, now 24 divided by 8, 3. 3 into 25 is 75. 24 divided by 12, what answer you get? 2. That 2 into 13 is 26. Okay, now next you will be writing the answer. When you write the answer of the bracket get removed. Okay, 1 by 3 into bracket. See, when there is no sign means then you will think it as multiplication. 1 by 3 into 15 plus 20 is 35 by 6 divided by 2 by 9 into, when there is no sign in the before the bracket, then you will think it as multiplication. 2 by 9 into 75 minus 26 is 49 by 24. Okay, now see here, any numerator getting cancelled with the denominator? No. So straight away multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. If no numerator and denominator is getting cancelled, then multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. 1 into 35 is 35, 3 into 6 is 80. Okay, divided by. Now in this you see any numerator getting cancelled with the denominator? Yes, 2 and 24 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. 9 and 49 will not get cancelled. Nothing is getting cancelled. So what answer you will write? 1 into 49 is 49. 9 into 12 is 108. Okay. Now 35 by 18. Division, you will change it into multiplication. When you change it to multiplication, this will become reciprocal. 108 by 49. Now you cancel the numerator and denominator. 35 and 49 will come in 7 table. That is 7 5s are 7 7s are. Now 18 and 108 will come in 18 table. 18 1s are 8, 18 6s are 108. Okay. Now nothing more will get cancelled. No numerator will get cancelled with the denominator now. Now write the answer. 5 into 6 is 30. 1 into 7 is 7. 30 by 7. You know how to bring this in the mixed fraction. 30 divided by 7, whatever the quotient you get, that quotient, then remainder by divisor. Like this you will write the answer. Okay, now I'm going to solve 12th question. See the 12th question. Okay, see in the 12th question, curly bracket there and ordinary bracket is also there. Inside the curly bracket, ordinary bracket is there. Okay, first we have to open these brackets. Okay, so I have done this. So see, first you have to open the brackets. Okay, now inside the curly bracket, what is there? First ordinary. First with the, what do we call this bracket as? Either we call it as common bracket or ordinary bracket. Always first we will remove this, is we call it as ordinary bracket or common bracket. Okay, then next this curly bracket will be opening, then square bracket, or suppose when you go to the next year class and 7, then there will be another bracket, that is bar. This is called bar bracket, then common bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. So first one by one, these are all the brackets. First you will open the bar bracket, then common bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So this is the way of opening one by one brackets. Okay, now inside the curly bracket, now this common bracket is there. Now first you have to solve the curly bracket one. Okay, you have to solve the curly bracket. Now in the curly bracket, see, this is division and here the common bracket one. So you have to open this. So to open this, first you bring it in the improper fraction. After bringing it in improper fraction, next step is solve this bracket one. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? 10. Okay, now you know how to solve this. 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 into 4, 20, 10 divided by 10 is 1, 1 into 7, now you know it. Now next step, you will write the answer of this bracket. You will everything you will copy down, divided by, then you will write the answer of this bracket. Okay, then next step, what you will do, now you have got this answer of the bracket. Once you get the answer of the bracket, common bracket get, ordinary bracket get, this common bracket get removed. Okay, now 31 by 8 minus. Now next you have to open the curly bracket. Curly bracket, what is there inside the curly bracket? 11 by 8 division will change into multiplication, then 10 by 11. Okay, you have to solve this. See, any numerator denominator cancelling, this numerator cancelling, what answer you get? 31 by 8 minus 1 into 5 is 5, 4 into 1 is 4. Now you know how to solve this by taking LCM and get answer. So 21 by 8, then you will bring it in the mixed fraction. Okay, then after this, question number 12, then question number 13. In the question number 13, 3 that is plus, then square bracket, 3 into curly bracket. Okay, now square bracket is there, curly bracket is there, ordinary bracket is there. So one by one bracket you have to go on opening it. Okay, first what will you do? 3 plus all brackets you go on writing. First inside the curly bracket, which bracket is there? Common bracket, that you open it. Okay, then after that you will get the answer of this common bracket. After getting the answer of this common bracket, then common bracket gets removed. Then you will solve the curly bracket one. After getting the answer of the curly bracket, then curly brackets get removed. Then after this 3 into whatever the answer of the curly bracket, that you will write. Then solve this. Then square brackets get removed. Then 3 plus whatever the answer. I think this you can do it. Suppose if you cannot do it, then you can ask this. Okay, now I have done question number 14. Okay, now question number 14, see the question I have written here. Question number 14, see this. First step, what you have to do, bring this improper mixed fraction into improper fraction. That's, you have done it. Okay, next step, BODMAS method, brackets. First bracket, what you have to do, that is ordinary bracket. In the square bracket, first curly bracket is there, then common bracket is there. Okay, so first you will open the common bracket. So common bracket, you know, you will take the LCM of this. Okay, 10 and that is 3 by 5, I think so. 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Written it as 6. This is 3 by 5. Okay, but the LCM is 10. 10 and 5 LCM is 10. Then you 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 into 7. Then you, how to solve this, you know. This, then in the next step you will bring the answer of this common bracket. Then rest all this copy down and write this minus 1 by 2 into, then common answer of this common bracket you will write it. Okay, then next step you will open this curly bracket. Now next step, again copy down everything, then you have to open this curly bracket. In this curly bracket, first you will do the same BODMAS method you will apply here. Okay, first you will do the multiplication, then only minus you will do it. So when you do the multiplication, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, this is your multiplication you have done. Then in the next step, what you will do, when there is plus or minus, no, you know how to do addition, subtraction whenever in the fraction plus or minus is given. So take the LCM, LCM is 20. Then with the LCM you know how to do this. Okay, then or bring the answer of this curly bracket. Once you get the answer of this curly bracket get removed. Okay, so 7 by 3 divided by, you got the answer of the curly bracket as 14 by 20. Now you have to solve the square bracket. 7 by 3, what is given in the square bracket? 7 by 3 divided by 14 by 20. So 16 by 3 minus 7 by 3 division will change into multiplication. Then 14 by 20 will get inverted. Then you know numerator denominator will get cancelled. Okay, then you will write answer 16 by 3 minus what answer you get for this? 1 into 10 is 10, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, once you get the answer of this square bracket get removed. Okay, then again minus plus minus, that means take the LCM is 3. 16, whenever the denominators are same, so the same will take the LCM is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 16 minus 10 is 6. Straight away you can cut the answer and write it. So I think whenever the denominator sum, straight away you plus or minus the numerator, right? So here minus is given, 16 minus 10 is 6. So 6 by 3 is the answer is 2.